Hello, boys and girls. My name is Maria. I'm an English teacher and a book lover. I've read this book for you and for the other kids who love reading. I'd like to invite you to join our book club to have fun and to learn English. All the details are in the description box below. Enjoy the book. What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time, Mr. Wolf? And tell us why you are yawning. What's the time, Mr. Wolf? And where are you going to go? What's the time, Mr. Wolf? And what are you going to do? What's the time, Mr. Wolf? And what are you doing? Please tell. What's the time, Mr. Wolf? And why the great big pot? What's the time, Mr. Wolf? And have you made the stew? You! But Mr. Wolf was joking, and he gave us each a plate. We all sat down to dinner, and his mushroom stew was great.